Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find minimum and maximum value from an array using divide and conquer approach. In divide and conquer algorithm, there is three part: divide, conquer, and combine. Divide means divide the problem into smaller subproblems. Conquer means conquer each subproblem by solving themselves recursively. And combine means combine the solution, the subproblems to get the final result. So let's jump to the algorithm and example. First of all, we take an array. The size of this array is 7, and we divide the array into two subproblems. Subarray. This is right subarray and left subarray. Let's see. This is left subarray and this is right subarray. For the question how we can divide this array, this is just we take a mid value means this is lower index and this is higher index, divided by 2, this is mid value, and we just in left array we see that this is low index and this is mid index, 3 is mid index, and 0 to 3 this means low to mid, this is a left sub array, and mid plus 1 that means 3 plus 1 4, this is mid plus 1 to high 6, so mid plus 1 to high this is a right sub array. So we again and again recursively divide it by the sub array into two parts. Whenever we get into two elements only in array, we cannot divide. There is two elements only. There is minimum nor or maximum value. If one element also cannot divide into two parts. If low equal high, that means the array elements is just one. So max and min equal to low. So let's see, there is an example. There is in this array there is only one sub array, there is only one element. In this second part there is only two elements in this array, low equal high min, that means two elements in array. Okay, if this, let's see, there is a two elements. Okay, that's just compare, this is lower index and this is higher index of this array. Okay, so if 20 is maximum then 5, so max equal 20 and min equal to 5. So let's see, if low index is higher than high index, so max equal low and min equal to high, else max equal to high and min equal to low. Okay, else the array contains more than two elements. That's mean we just find the mid value and recursively divide the array into two parts. Let's see, this is max min is a function low mid max min, and max min there is another part mid plus 1 high max 1 and min 1. Let's see, this is the left subarray and this is the right subarray. In this low to mid, this is low and 3 is mid. Okay, and see mid plus 1 that's mean 4, and this is high, mid plus 1 to high, which is maximum. See, in this part which is maximum, in this part 50 is maximum, so max equal to 50 and max 1 equal to 40. In the two elements which is max, let's see, 50 is max, so max equal to 50, and check this condition, max 1 greater than max, no, so max equal max, this is 50, and if min 1 less than min, see which is smaller, max 1 is smaller, so min equal to max 1. This is all about the algorithm. The time complexity of this algorithm is order of n, and this is the fast and efficient way to finding a minimum and maximum value from an array. Now let's see the code. We just implement our algorithm. Let's see, this is only one element, and else if there is two element low equal high minus 1. Okay, and else we find the mid value and recursively call the two parts in left subarray and right subarray. We just run the code. Enter the element number of elements. This is 7. Paste it. There is 7 element and click enter. And minimum is 2 and maximum is 50.